Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Jugnoo Kids TV. Please subscribe our channel. Children, today we will do some English worksheets and phonics from A to Z. A apple. D dog. E elephant. G grapes. B bus. F fish. I igloo. C car. H house. J jam. M mango. A aeroplane. O owl. C cake. B balloons. K kite. J jug. C cat. A apple. B ball. C cat. D doll. E egg. F fish. G goat. H hen. I igloo. J jug. K kite. L lion. M monkey. N nose. O orange. P parrot. Q queen. R rabbit. S sun. T train. U umbrella. V van. W window. X box. Y yellow. Z zoo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.